My name is Gary. This is my wife, Maria. We brought this 57 Chevy 3100 stepside pickup truck. This vehicle was brought to my attention from shows that were out here in the past 8-10 years ago, and there used to be a line of them out here, and I fell in love with them. So I bought this truck about 7 years ago in a field up in Santa Rosa behind an auto repair shop, and it needed to be restored. It was a rust-free truck, which piqued my interest. How it was, I couldn't even tell you it was, but it was a small window cab when I found it, and I changed the cab out to be a big window cab, and shaved the rain gutters off it and made it smooth. The whole theme of this truck is a smooth look. All the lines in the motor compartment are all smooth. The bed rails in the bed are all smooth. The rims are smooth. I'm smooth. To be honest with you, green was not my color. It was not my choice. I like blues. My wife does not like blues. Everybody's got blue. Everybody's got red. Everybody's got this. So the builder said, we're gonna do something in a green. And I was like a little bit scared. So he sprayed different colors out on coffee cans. Well, that wasn't impressing me. So he sprayed a couple body parts with his color choice that he created. This color does not have a name. It's a PPG paint that he created his own colors with. It's got silver pearl in it. And so he sprayed some body parts and he let them cure out, and he buffed and polished him, and we held him out in the sunlight, and I was like, oh my God, this is beautiful. So we went with it. If you took any photos of the interior, my wife Maria here, she was the creator of the whole dash panel, the smooth dash, the console in the middle of there. She created that look. So the builder of the truck is a custom car builder, and he made the choices for me. He goes, look it, this is what I do for a living. I'm gonna build you something special. And his co-partner in the interior world, Sid Sherms, he created the color and the design pattern himself. The builder of the truck is Marcos Garcia with Lucky 7 Customs in Antioch, California. And I've just was blown away by all his projects he had in his shop. So when I asked him to do my truck, he said he'd be willing to do it if I wanted to wait for a year for me to get my truck in the shop. And I was more than willing to. It's got a TCI front clip in it. That was his choice. It's got a Ford 9-inch 4-link. It's got 353 gears in it. The transmission is a 4L80E. The engine was built by my cousin, Mike Delucca, out of San Jose. The engine is all Dart, D-A-R-T. That's not Dart like Mopar, it's Dart like GM. It's got Dart aluminum heads, Dart intake with fuel injection. And the 454 has been punched out to a 540 stroker. It's got 800 horsepower. All the chrome work was done by Sherms Plating in Sacramento. It's just a stock frame that's just been boxed and reinforced and powder coated. There's not one used part that's on this vehicle. Everything is brand new. I try to keep the original theme to it as far as the stock grille. I kept the stock looking door handles on it. I kept the stock looking mirrors on it, but they're a shorter version. The bumpers have been cut and shortened and tucked to the body. They're all boltless, the smooth look. With the suspension package that's in it, the TCI, the Ford 9-inch 4-link, the coilovers, this truck, I can drive down the freeway at 80 miles an hour, no problem, and it rides smooth as can be. It'll go a lot faster, but I don't begin to do so.